Hi, I'm Ethan Lin, your GRT hand tools lead for the 2020 to 2021 season. This is the third installment of the Gun Robotics Team hand tools training. In this video, we'll be going over the power drills, impact drivers, rivet guns, hydraulic press, and shop vacuums and vents. Power drills are used to drill holes when you can't bring the part to a drill press. They're very convenient, but it's hard to drill accurate holes with a power drill. As with the drill press, choose your drill bit by referring to the reference chart. If you're drilling holes larger than 1/4 inch diameter in metal, or larger than 3/8 inch diameter into wood with a metal type drill bit, it's preferable to first drill a 1/8 inch pilot hole. And when you're drilling large holes, you should really consider using a drill press or milling machine instead. Make sure to firmly secure your material with a clamp or vise before using the power drill or impact driver. Drill either into one of the holes on the work tables or into a piece of sacrificial wood.
Power drills hold a drill bit in a chuck like the drill press, and should only be used for drill bits less than 1/2 inch in diameter for metal. To insert a drill bit, you loosen the jaws of the chuck by turning the jaws counterclockwise. Insert the drill bit, then tighten the chuck jaws with the bit centered. Drill bits with 3 flat sides on the shank should have the flat sides positioned against the jaws.
Power drills may be run in forward or reverse modes. They also have a clutch for controlling torque. When fully engaged, this locks for drilling. When used for tightening fasteners, the clutch should be reduced. To drill, press on the trigger.
When you're done drilling, remove the drill bit and put it in the correct drawer, or in the dull bit receptacle. Remove the battery by pressing the release button and sliding it off the drill. Then, slide it onto the correct battery charger for the battery type. Impact drivers are typically used to fasten 2 pieces of wood together with a screw. Screws and other fasteners are stored in the vault. There are different bits for different types of screws, although we usually use Torx bits. Other bits, including Phillips or flathead bits, are best used with a power drill. Select the correct bit size and check that it isn't worn before use. To put your bit in the impact driver, lift the nozzle, place the bit in, and then let go of the nozzle. Be sure to firmly secure your material with a clamp or vise before using a power drill or impact driver. Impact drivers are much more powerful than power drills. The harder you press on the trigger, the faster the drill will spin, and the more torque it will produce.
For the best clamping strength, the first piece of wood should have a clearance hole larger than the screw diameter, and the second piece of wood should have a pilot hole to guide the screw. A way to set this up efficiently is, first, drill a pilot hole through both pieces of wood at the same time using a power drill. Next, drill a clearance hole with the larger diameter than the screw threads through the first piece of wood using a power drill. Finally, drill the screw to fasten the 2 pieces of wood together using an impact driver. Don't run the head of the screw below the surface of the first piece of wood. This actually weakens the joint.
Rivets are a quick way to fasten 2 metal or plastic parts together. They are strong but can be removed relatively easily. Here is a rivet. Rivets come in multiple sizes. You want to use the shortest rivet with the grip range for the parts you are fastening. Check the rivet box. Before riveting, you have to drill a 1/8 inch pilot hole through both parts. Then, drill a larger hole for the size of the rivet. The correct drill size for a given rivet is labeled on the side of the rivet guns. To rivet your parts together, put the rivet in the rivet gun nose piece. Slide it through the aligned holes in your part. Then squeeze the rivet gun handles repeatedly until the rivets pop.
The hydraulic press is similar to the arbor press, but it is much more powerful. At GRT, we use it for broaching, assembling press fits, and bending sheet metal that is too thick for the sheet metal bricks. Further training on the hydraulic press will be given at a later time.
When you enter the shop, be sure to turn on the built-in ventilation system with the switch next to Miss Grenlin's office. Once the ventilation system is on, you can open individual vents near the saws, sanders, or laser cutter, or sweep sawdust into the two floor vents. Close any open vents when you're done. If no one else is working in the shop, turn off the ventilation system as well. 3 wall-mounted shop vacuums are available to clean up your workspace when you're done with a task. One is near the vertical wooden bandsaw, one is near the toolbox by the shop saw, and one is near the mills. The power switch on each of these vacuums is located on the left-hand sides. There are different vacuum attachments and pouches hanging near the vacuums, and should be replaced when you are done with them. We also have many smaller vacuums, both inside and outside the shop. These should be wrapped neatly, like this. Big pieces of anything should be swept or picked up rather than vacuumed. If you're wondering whether something is too big to be vacuumed, chances are, it probably is.
That does it for the third installment of our GRT hand tools training videos. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the power drills, hydraulic press, impact drivers, rivet guns, and shop vacuums and vents. If you have any questions, please ask them during class so that you and everyone can get a better understanding of them. Stay safe, everyone, and I hope to see you all in the shop soon.